Have you ever dreamt of starting your own business without spending a fortune? What if I told you that you could launch a cleaning business in the UK with as little as £100? At Your Virtual Office London, we've helped many entrepreneurs successfully build cleaning businesses from scratch. In this video, we're going to walk you through exactly how to do it, covering key steps, essential costs, and practical tips that you can implement today. Let's get into it, shall we? The UK cleaning industry is thriving. It contributes over £60 billion to the economy. Whether it's homes, offices or shops or industrial sites, cleaning services are always in demand. One of the best things about this business is that you can start small and scale at your own pace. You don't need a huge investment or any formal qualifications to begin. Not sure where you fit in? Let's look at a few popular niches and I'll help you figure out which one might be right for you. Residential cleaning. Start solo, scale as you go. If you enjoy transforming homes and love that before and after feeling, this might be your niche. Residential cleaning includes house cleaning, deep cleaning, end of tenancy jobs and even Airbnb turnovers. It's one of the most affordable options to start and you don't need special licenses. It's ideal for people looking to work solo or test the waters as a side hustle. Commercial cleaning. Think offices, shops or long-term contracts. Prefer structured environments like offices or retail spaces? Commercial cleaning could be your thing. It involves maintaining offices, shops and sometimes warehouses. You'll need to learn how to use machines like floor scrubbers or high-powered vacuums. So if you want to go after large contracts or work with business clients, this is a great option. Industrial cleaning. High compliance, high reward. Are you more of a specialist, maybe with experience in health and safety or construction? Industrial cleaning can be more complex. Think factories, manufacturing plants and chemical use. This niche requires investment in heavy-duty equipment and strict compliance with regulations. But the payoff can be big if you're up for the challenge. Still unsure? Think about the environment you'd enjoy working in, how much you want to invest up front, and whether you prefer working alone or managing a team. It's time to choose the best structure for your business. Sole trader. Simple, fast and free. Perfect if you're starting a small business or going solo. It's simple and free to register. Just let HMRC know once you earn over £1,000 in a tax year. Limited liability partnership. Great for two people with diverse skills. Planning to team up with someone? An LLP is great if you're working with a partner who brings different strengths. Maybe you're great at sales and they'll handle operations. You'll share responsibilities and profits while keeping personal liabilities limited. Limited company, LTD. Professional setup with a liability protection. Want a more professional setup with a liability protection? An LTD adds credibility, especially if you're targeting large commercial or industrial contracts. Right to manage company, an RTM. Control your building's cleaning standards. If you and other leaseholders want control over cleaning in your building's shared spaces, setting up an RTM, right to manage company, gives you a legal authority to hire your own cleaners and manage service standards. Property management company. Scale across multiple sites. Planning to manage multiple buildings or expand your services beyond one block? A property management company allows you to offer cleaning, maintenance and even security services to various landlords or property owners. It's perfect for scaling. Now that you can determine the proper business structure for your venture, let's discuss licenses and certifications. Good news! Most general cleaning services don't require specific licenses, but if you're venturing into specialist areas, here's what you need to keep in mind. Pest control. If you use heavy pesticides, you may need a specified certificate in the use of the pesticide from the National Proficiency Test Council. Waste removal. If your business will be involved in transporting waste, then you'll need to get a waste carrier license from the following agencies. According to the location of your business, it will be different. In England, you've got the Environmental Agency, in Wales, Natural Resources Wales, and Scotland, Scottish Environmental Protection Agency, that's SEPA, and in Northern Ireland, Department of Agriculture, Environment and Rural Affairs, the DAERA. Industrial cleaning. If you're handling chemicals like bleach or ammonia, you'll need to comply with the COSHH, that's the Control of Substances Hazardous to Health. That means doing risk assessments, training staff, and using proper protective equipment, also known as PPE. Now let's break down the costs so you can plan confidently. Sole trader setup. It's free to register and many clients will supply the tools, but if you're buying your own, a starter cleaning kit might cost around £500. This includes a vacuum, a mop, cleaning solutions, gloves, cloths, and PPE. Registration with Companies House costs around £68 at the time of filming this video. Add a registered office and a director's address and you're pretty much good to go. You might invest an extra, maybe £650, give or take, depending on the quality of the work you get given, in an essential website and some local digital marketing to look more professional. For a more comprehensive breakdown of the costs, you can see the article that's linked in the description box below. Budget-friendly marketing tips. So when it comes to marketing, you don't have to break the bank. In fact, some of the most effective strategies are completely free or very low cost. Use TikTok, for example, or YouTube Shorts to show your cleaning results in real time. Walk around your local area, introduce your business, and share your social media handles. Set up a Google business profile. It's free and helps people find you on local searches. Later, you can build a professional website and invest in SEO to attract long-term clients. The goal is to keep your startup costs low while you're still getting noticed. A solid business plan helps you to stay focused, but don't overthink it. It doesn't have to be complicated or fancy. Just grab a piece of paper or open a simple document and write out a few key points. I want to have X number of clients by this date, and in order to reach them, I'll spend X amount on a website and post X amount of TikToks and X amount of YouTube Shorts by a certain date. I'll charge X amount per hour and focus on a niche or service type. To stand out from competitors, I will always, and then insert your promise here. But for instance, you could leave handwritten notes or use eco-friendly products or follow up after each service to give that extra touch. If you're ready to start your cleaning business, hit that subscribe button for more guides like this one. Got a question? Drop it in the comments and we're here to help. Remember, with low startup costs and high demand, your cleaning business dream is closer than you think. Let's get started together.